Did you hear the sound? Rip! It's Onomatopoeia! Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Happy Life. I'm Mary.
Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech. Its origin is from two Greek words, onoma, name, poem, to make or create, to make a name. Onomatopoeia is the word that sounds like the actual noise it describes. Some examples: buzz, splash, rustle, bang, meow, hiss, whisper, giggle. I heard a faint rustle in the bushes. She slammed the door with a bang. Why use it? It makes writing and speaking more expressive and lively. It helps readers to hear your story.
Let's see how we can use onomatopoeia in our daily life.
Mary, why didn't you wear the dress you bought yesterday?
No, Grace, it is too tight. I have to rip it out.
Oh, Mary, you're looking very tired.
I couldn't sleep yesterday. The clock went on tick tock, tick tock.
Oh, how sad.
Grace, don't splash water on me. I just got ready.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Please use onomatopoeia in your day-to-day life to make your conversation more lively and interesting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sweet and Happy Life. I'm Mary signing off.